Hi. I hope everyone had a really lovely Christmas. I just thought I'd pop on here and do this quick live. I've just been doing a live in a party event that I'm running, which if anyone wants to join in that after, you're welcome to. I've been demoing this eyeshadow look, two-tone eyeshadow look, metallic red to gold, with these two lovely splurges. And I said as part of it I was going to demo how to do an ombre lip, so a lip that's darker at the edges and lighter in the middle, using one of the splurges as well, to show you that they're not just for eyeshadow, they have all sorts of uses. So this one is particularly useful, the elegant shiny gold one. So not only can you do your eyes with it, you can use it, if you just get a little bit on your fingers, you can use it as a highlighter on your cheeks. And down the bridge of your nose as well. So nice shiny cheeks. So I'm going to use one of my Splash lipsticks. This one is called Sneaky, isn't it? Sneaky. It's like a metallic bronzy colour, because I thought that would go alright with this eyeshadow look. And then, hi! So these are dead easy to put on. They have a curved bit in the wand, which just goes on dead nicely on your bottom lip, and then they have like a pointy bit at the tip. It's not very easy to show that on here, but you can use that to do Cupid's bow at the top of your lips by doing a little cross. And then you can use the curved bit to do the rest of it. Let's get that on. Okay, so I'll just give that a second to dry, because we don't want it too wet when we do the ombre bit. There we go. Okay, so that's starting to dry now. You want it so it's just ever so slightly sticky. So then we get our elegant splurge, the gold one. Again, get it on your finger, or you could do it with a lip brush if you wanted to. Just splodge it in. You'll see this stuff's a bit like moussey. It's not as like creamy as you'd think it'd be. So then just dab that on that centre section of your lips. And then you can just use one of your other fingers to blend it. So now I've got dark on the outside, light on the middle. Do we reckon? Okie dokie. So I'm going to just pop and take a picture of this, and then I'm going to bob back into the Eye Splurge party group. If you want to join it, the link's somewhere down on my profile. And I'm just going to quickly whip all this lot off, and I'm going to do a dark blue metallic eye for New Year's Eve look. Alright, see you shortly.